Now students, I will be solving now from sum number 5. Now it is little bit harder, you see. Now what to do? 5. If x plus z equals to given 2y and b square equals to ac, it is given. Then prove that. So from left hand side we'll start. A to the power y minus z, b to the power z minus x, c to the power x minus y. Okay. Now here you have seen that x plus z equals to 2y. So if we write here x plus z equals to y plus y. Now see, there is y minus z. So y minus z. Z I am taking this side. Okay, from here I am explaining you. X plus z equals to given y plus y. So x minus y I am taking this side and z I am taking that side. We can write this now. X minus y equals to y minus z. Now there is y minus z. So in place of this I can write x minus y, or there is x minus y, we can write y minus z. We will change only either here or there. Now see, we will change either from here x minus y in terms of y minus z, or y minus z in terms of x minus y. Yeah. Any one term will change. So I am keeping it same and changing that. Equals to a to the power y minus z into b to the power z minus x into x minus y. I have told x minus y means y minus z. Here now power of this and power of this same, so I can write it in same bracket. By one rule I have told you, if there is xy to the power m, we can write this equals to x to the power m into y to the power m. So here also a to the power this into c to the power that, same power. So in place of that this is given, right hand side given, so we can write ac to the power y minus z by this rule. Clear? So it is coming ac to the power y minus z into b to the power z minus x. Now you see, another thing is given, b square equals to ac. So in place of ac we can write b square y minus z into b to the power z minus x. Clear? Then we will open the bracket by multiplying. Equals to b to the power 2y minus 2z into b to the power z minus x. Then same base, here base is b, so powers will be added. 2y minus 2z plus z minus x. Now it is becoming 2y, okay, it is b to the power 2y minus 2z plus z, means minus z minus x. Now I have wrapped it. You had this x plus z equals to 2y given. Clear? Now 2y equals to what we can write? X plus z. So this equal to, we can write x plus z. And there is minus z minus x. Now cancel everything. It is coming b to the power 0. Its value is 1. So we have got right hand side. Clear? So this sum you will practice properly. Okay. Number 6, same method you can do yourself. Now number 7, you see how to do. Number 7. it is different type. It is given if x to the power 1 by a equals to y to the power 1 by b equals to z to the power 1 by c and xyz equals to 1, then show that a plus b plus c equals to 0. Okay, so this type of sum you have to consider. Let x to the power 1 by a equals to y to the power 1 by b equals to z to the power 1 by c equals to k, where k not equals to 0. You have to mention it. Yeah. Now x to the power 1 by a equals to k. Therefore from here we can write x equals to k to the power a. Similarly y equals to k to the power b and z equals to k to the power c. Clear? And what is given? It is given that xyz equals to 1, given that x, y, z equals to 1. Now x means we have got k to the power a, y means k to the power b, z means k to the power c, and 1 means we can write k to the power 0. Why I am taking k to the power 0, not other variables, since left hand side there are k, that's why I am taking. Now same base, powers will be added. So a plus b plus c equals to k to the power 0. Now another thing. See, this one I have not told. In previous sum as we have not applied. If a to the power x equals to a to the power m, then same base, then we can equate the power. Clear? Then we can write x equal to m. Here also k to the power a plus b plus c equals to k to the power 0. So same base we can equate the power a plus b plus c as same base. It is possible only when base will be same. Now a plus b plus c is equal to 0, that we have to prove. So we have proved. Clear? So in this type of sum, what to do? X to the power 1 by a, y to the power 1 by b, z to the power 1 by c, we have to consider some k, constant k. Then from here x equals to, it is coming k to the power a, y is coming k to the power b, z is coming k to the power c, and given x, y, z equals to 1, there we will put the values of x, y, z. Clear? And right hand side, in place of 1 we have written k to the power 0. Then same base, multiplication, powers will be added. So from here same base we can write a plus b plus c equals to 0 as base is same. Clear? Now see the method. Clear? Now so this type of sum, how to do, it is clear. Now another sum is there. Number 8. It is also same way. We will consider let a to the power x equals to b to the power y equals to c to the power z equals to k, where k not equals to 0. Then from here what we can write? A equals to k to the power 1 by x, b k to the power 1 by y, c k to the power 1 by z. Clear? And what is given we have to write down now. What is given? It is given that ABC equals to 1. It is given ABC equals to 1. So A means k to the power 1 by x, into B means k to the power 1 by y, C means k to the power 1 by z, equals to 1 means k to the power 0. Now same base, powers will be added. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to k to the power 0. Clear? Now in previous sum I had explained you that when base will be same, so from both sides you can equate the power. Here same base, so you can equate this equal to 0 you can have. Therefore 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to, we can write 0. Why? As base is same. As base is same. Clear? Now we'll take the this is fractional addition, so we have to take the LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is xy z. LCM is xy z. Now from here, what you are getting? X is there, yz, y is there, zx, z is there, xy equals to 0. Now after cross multiplication, it is becoming this into 0 means 0, 0. So from here I am maintaining the order xy plus yz plus zx equals to 0. So this we have to prove. So it is proved. Here. Now many sums we have done today. Up to 8 I have completed, and next video, next time you will get let us solve an MCQ part and SAQ part. Bye.